Hey everyone, this is Robert Hess, CEO of the Disabled Veteran Empowerment Network, Devon. One of our major programs is supporting charities that provide free service dogs to veterans dealing with PTSD. And for our Fast and Furious friends, we have something pretty special. We've received a donated 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse that we're going to rebuild into a tribute car of Paul Walker's green Mitsubishi in the first Fast and Furious movie. You can follow the build on YouTube on the Just Driven channel. So that's Just Driven. They're down in Orange, California, and they have done several Fast and Furious rebuilds, and they're doing this one for us. Now, once the car is complete, it's going to be making the rounds of the Cars and Coffee events here in the LA region so that everybody will have a chance to see the car. And eventually it's going to be either auctioned or raffled to support disabled veterans dealing with PTSD. So these funds are going to go into providing free service dogs for those veterans. So be sure and check out our website at devon.org. That's DVEN.org. And that'll tell you about the organization and what we do. And then be sure and pop over and check out Just Driven on YouTube. If you like to drive on the track or you've ever wanted to drive on the track, be sure and go over and check out our Rally for Vets program. And you can find that information on the internet at Rally for Vets. That's Rally, R-A-L-L-Y, the number 4, vets.com, rallyforvets.com. We're doing our second event in October over at Summit Point Raceway in West Virginia. And in 2023, we'll be doing something on the West Coast or in the Southwest, either in California, ideally, perhaps down in Texas. But anyway, head on over, check us out at rally, the number 4 vets.com. And remember, stay safe and keep the rubber side down.